Sheila, welcome. How is the current market environment impacting the ability to raise new funds?
Well, thank you for talking with me today. I think the current market environment is a fascinating one to behold. We have seen funding rates drop off pretty dramatically over the last several quarters, but in particular, growth is suffering the most, with only about 8% of funding in the first quarter going to growth and about 67% going to early stage. So it's a bit of a bifurcated market when it comes to where funds are going and how we can all raise funds to keep funding innovation.
What is the outlook on venture capital in the short and medium term?
Well, I think as you look at crises in the past and you look at the vintages that came out of those years, those were some of the best years for venture capital. And I think many of the investors, large institutions, pension funds, sovereign wealth funds that have a long history and have invested over many, many years in the space are looking at the next 4 to 5 years as potentially some of the best vintages for venture and growth investing, where great companies will be founded in areas like generative AI, the metaverse, Web 3.0, and they want to be part of that.
So that's AI, but I know climate tech is something that is an area of expertise for you. Could you just tell me a little bit more about the opportunities there?
Sure. Well, I think climate tech is such a fascinating space. It clearly is one that has countered the trend on fundraising. Over the past several quarters, as venture suffered, climate tech has been accelerating in terms of investors. And I think it's because of so many forces that are encouraging investment in maybe the 2.0 or 3.0 of how we address the challenges around climate. The technology that can help companies answer the regulatory challenges of showing that they're addressing the situation. The risk analytics and the technology, again, in the AI, that can help us look at challenges within climate, at carbon sequestration, at agricultural technology. There is so much to be unraveled. And so it's a really exciting time to invest in climate alongside innovation and technology.
Sheila, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.